Frappuccino. 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 Don't you look cute with your hoodie, Mama? Frappuccino, stop! Stop eating junk! Well, look who's happy to be out in the sunny sun. Come on, Mama. Let's go look at the pony. Oh, where's the pony? There's the pony. Also very happy to be out in the sun. The first thing he does when we let him out, he comes over to say hi to his friend, Ratòn. His friend is Ratòn. The pony is yet to be named. But we are all happy and content in the little sunshine that we got today. And really, really happy that tomorrow is gonna be even better.